Okay guys, in today's video, we're going to be unboxing like every monster, all the monsters that we can find. And
yeah.
First, let's just go find a chicken, or not a chicken, a turkey.
The turkey.
There's one right there.
Oh, here's one right here.
Stealthy.
Oh, Big Johnny's after me! Oh, goodness. I'm sorry, Big Johnny. I didn't mean to hurt your family.
Okay.
Alright, they're safe. Big Johnny is not dealt with, though. I'm gonna do a sneak attack.
Ooh.
Hold up, I'm gonna eat an MRE real quick.
Ooh, there's two chickens glitching in this corner.
Run!
We good, his name is Absolute Dog Water.
Alright.
He's going the
Alright,
one
go,
direction
go,
where my
go.
other glove is. No, we have to go there. I don't have my other glove. He's he's literally in the area with my other glove. What's he doing?
We have to defeat him then.
Alright, we going in the battle? Yes!
Yes!
We defeated him!
Open. Hold up, I'm gonna open it.
I'm opening this one. Ooh! Flashbang. We can't use it though
Oh wait,
because...
JT?
Uh-huh.
JT, go buy another bag. You're gonna be our loot getter.
I bet. I also have a good tactic for the chicken. Since we already had the saddle on him, we can just like, someone can grab onto him and then we just like, simple. Okay.
Alright, get that. Well, check out the flashbang.
Nah, it's just lagging. Okay.
Wait, drop the crossbow. There, now take out the flashbang. There you go. Meet me at chicken. Actually, no. Meet me. Let's just kill a turkey real quick. We killed the ogre. Now we have to kill a turkey. The ones we need to kill turkey. We've killed Big Johnny. We've killed the ogre. So we need to kill a moai, a turkey, a chicken, and a red light, green light monster.
I think we should do the Moai. The Moai last, cause like he also boxes us.
Yeah,
New
but
boxers
and then
versus pro boxers.
he'll be the final boss. And then we also need to kill Coda. We need to kill one of the I can't remember what they're called.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah.
All right.
Pick up that.
All right. I'll take the turkey leg.
All right. There's one of the crates. So I got a crowbar.
I actually like those.
All right. So what we need to do? We also need to kill a big bomb, a tiny bomb, and a shockwave bomb.
Okay. Yeah. I need to know if you can take.
And guys, if we miss any, comment down below and we'll make an update doing all the rest.
What the?
Oh no!
What's the Sigma? What's the Sigma? What's the Sigma? What's the Sigma? What's the Sigma?
I have to kill him again.
Oh no. Chicken's going ballistic.
Oh, cause we stole her
Carter?
egg.
Carter. He's throwing something. Wait!
Maybe he can kill the chicken.
Yes! But that would kind of be cheating because we're not boxing every monster.
Oh goodness!
Ah! Why does he have beef with me?
Get him from behind!
I think one of the crates
Wait, the
fell,
sack?
but-
No, one of the crates!
It's fine, it's fine. I'll put this one in my bag. Now let's come over here and collect some of his loot before he respawns. Oh, also the saddle's gone, but...
Empty
Pick up
roll
the
of
nut?
toilet paper.
And I'm also picking up the toilet paper roll because I know that's like in a lot of my tasks.
Well, I think that's all we should get. Now,
Yeah.
who do you want to do next?
The saddle is
Everything
like-
else except for the Moai, we're gonna...
Bro, that was close.
So which one do you want to do now?
No, not him.
You want to do like a Dakota?
Yeah, it was good. Let's go do Coda.
So we can do two things. We can go to sewers and no, we cannot go to sewers. We'll have to do the whole thing. And I don't really want to do that. So what we should do, follow me. Look,
My bad.
if we go over here, there's a big pipe that is full of them.
Oh, I know what you're yapping about.
And we can kill the red light, green light monster and the anglerfish while we're here.
Oh yeah, the English is gonna be hard.
He can be second to last then. Should we go get a flashlight?
Chicken shrimp now. Guys, I think you know what
We're just
time
gonna
it
beat
is.
him up.
Oh my goodness. Stop.
Well, I've played these games before.
Oh, okay, that was easy. I'll pick up the crates.
Wait, open the crates. I'll open all the crates we have real quick.
No, we should do it away from the where the anglerfish will be at. So under here,
Yeah,
secret
here.
spot. You get stash. We're gonna put I'm gonna put my gloves away.
I am too.
Okay, that should
Let's
be
just
it.
take a good look at all of our loot.
No, not yet. We're gonna do that at the end of the video.
Okay, let's.
You want that too? Ooh.
Alright, put it in the bag.
I'll keep it to showcase it.
We may need to get a blue bag
Yeah.
later in the video.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Actually, while we're here, do you want to just like explore, see where this takes it? Wait, I remember there's a teleporter. We can go out by the teleporter. Oh, gold bar. Wait, get the pipe, get the pipe, get the pipe. No, get the oh.
Good loot.
That's just loot.
I'm not taking that.
Take one of the gold bars. Wait, you got a shockwave. Wait, I'm gonna shockwave him.
Oh yeah.
Come here, come here.
Here. Oh yeah, we got a Coda.
Ah! I don't like that!
Ah! Come on, where we can see. Oh, yes!
Yes! I got one of these.
Oh no, the bag's full.
Here.
We don't really need that. Just carry that.
Ooh, I will take. We need to take that.
Empty out one of the MREs. Like, we don't need an MRE. Oh, never mind.
Oh, great. Bruh! Alright, let's go. We gotta get a blue bag. Well, hold up. We need to take this way. There's a teleporter. It may be dangerous, but it's worth it. Never mind, it's not worth it. Let's just go.
Yeah, let's just do it.
Alright, let's go.
Stop. Jimmy, Jimmy, what did you put in these? Jimmy, Jimmy, what did you put in these?
No witnesses!
Just screaming. Oh, we already killed it? Alright. Oh, we can leave it. Come on.
No, I'm
Well-
taking it.
Oh, yeah, well, okay, yeah, we'll come back for a fist. Okay.
Howdy, folks.
You take, okay.
Did you empty out the backpack?
Empty out your pockets.
All right, good. We don't need this.
Yes, you do.
Ooh, it's kind of too late. All right, there we go.
Alright. We're still collecting more, so that is the current loot haul of just now. There's the news,
Get
just
the revolver
Justin.
ammo too.
Tofu. Ooh, I actually think of one of yours. This one's really sweaty.
All right. Which one are we gonna do?
Well,
We need to do the bombs.
bombs, yeah. Where did we go to see the bombs?
Yeah, and I don't know, but we might as well just try. We may have to do
I think the
them
bombs
now.
are impossible. I mean, not impossible, because,
I mean, at least hit them once. We'll have to do that.
yeah. The flash grenades are kind of.
All right, let's go.
Well, no, the flash grenades
Hold
are
up.
really hard 'cause they don't
He's at
reload.
Moai. We have to kill Moai to get to the bombs.
Yes.
Let's just do it. I think we're
Do this.
ready. We'll eat an MRE before we do it, though.
Okay. Jump him. He just entered the Moai cave. He just
did?
entered the Moai cave. The
The
giant.
chicken?
The giant.
Oh.
He went that way.
Yeah, I think we should just sit this out real quick.
Hope he
Oh,
doesn't
let's
do
just
that.
kill these turkeys. They're getting on my nerve.
Bro, bro. They're crying too much. They're doing too much.
All right, that one's leaving. Don't let this one leave. Corner him.
Oh no! Bro, I decided left, bro.
MD, after Papa's giving me all that. Oh, he sees us. We may have to kill him again.
Empty out your pockets.
Oh!
WA, man.
L.
Gotta keep it up. Also, what if I just punch you straight towards him? No. Watch his L aim.
Okay, jump him on 3. 1, 2, 3!
I'm coming.
Alright, I died too, but my hands are surrounding my back.
I bet. Alright.
We can't let him get away with it.
That was a violation. Bro, he just stuck in a wall.
Everything. I've always wanted to brother that. No! Either no, he disappeared.
Oh no!
Is that like his spawning place?
There they know. He's
Alright.
He's hitting the googly moogly. Bye bye, brother. What if I just
Do
no,
it, I need to
that's
get.
it.
Oh! Wait! I played these games before.
Oop, I saw the guy from Fortnite! It's the buff guy from Fortnite, though. It's the buff kind.
One of my hands has disappeared. Oh, there it is. Let's go. Oh, the Moai! Oh, the weather outside is.
Hey! Stop your crying. Ooh, this kid thinks he's a box. Yeah, step up, boy. This kid thinks he can block. Stop, boy. Oh no.
Empty out your pocket, give me all that.
What is that?
Okay, jump him on 3.
What was that?
3!
Yes.
Shotgun ammo. And a grenade. Alright, let's go.
Let's gaily go.
Ah! Yes!
That was like so easy.
Wait. Oh, don't open it yet. Don't open it yet.
No, we're waiting till the end of this one's a wait to the end of the video kind of deal.
Alright,
did
what's
that
in this
fit in
one?
there?
Oh, crowbar. Put that in the bag. Come on.
Bro, honestly, bro, he was so easy, bro.
Okay, I don't know what that is, and I do not like it.
I think it's a chicken just clipping.
Oh yeah, it is.
It's 2 chickens just clipping.
I killed one. I got a crossbow.
Yeah. Should we just leave it here? Hey.
Hold up. Go over here. We gotta go over here.
Over there.
I see a turkey.
Ooh. No, 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 no! Come back to spawn. Alright, Pete, come back to spawn. Bro, chat.
I'm trying.
I cooked, chat. I cooked the entire plan. Bro, I cooked the entire plan. Bro, I already cooked the entire plan.
Also, I've decided to make a new rule out of nowhere.
What?
If you die and lose your stuff, we have to restart.
Restart what?
Collecting stuff and killing all the items, all the things.
No, I'm not doing that. We still have the monsters killed, we just don't have the items.
Big Johnny and the Moai's after me. I don't think I can come spawn.
Leave the game and rejoin.
Big Johnny just killed the Moai.
W, Big Johnny. Oh my god, it cooks so bad, bro.
I got a gun. Can I kill him with the revolver?
Yes, sir, you may kill him. Oh! Empty your pocket to be all that in the middle.
I shot all the shots, but he's still alive.
What the actual Sigma?
I killed him, but but whenever he killed me,
Look up.
so we gotta go back. I got a big box again. We're waiting until the end of the video.
W.
Get another big blue bag.
Slight problem.
What?
Someone turned off my gravity.
Alright, we're cooked now. My stuff is getting guarded by the Moai.
Certified cooked.
To make a run for it.
What the? I still float 2 balloons. Ah, no, okay.
Alright, I'm back to where my stuff.
Alright, I'm coming.
Yes.
Oh no. Oh no. What? What was that? Where you at? Where you at?
I'm at the bottom where we were. Never mind, I'm not able to come out of here.
There's no way that actually worked.
Only LP will leave the game.
What situation are you in?
There's a big Johnny after me and a Moai.
Wait, I know where you are. I know where you are.
Yeah, I don't know where you are. Wait.
I'm signaling. Signaling you to the exit. For me, he's right there. Also, I kind of
Same
glitched
here.
with the turkeys.
What?
One was just standing like this, right? But he was like moving, but he had no animations.
I'm just gonna kill him with a turkey.
What?
Do you have enough money to get a blue bag?
Yeah, I have enough money.
I'll get you one.
I have enough money.
And I'll get you some new hands too.
Ooh. Hey, I want that.
What did you just do? Empty you after parking.
Wait, I have wait.
that.
I have an idea for a scam tactic.
What?
Hold on, I'm gonna blur out this part of the video. But this is the tactic, right? So when we're giving away the 3 items, right?
Yeah.
You can be clicking an empty one so it makes the noise. And then when they come over here, I'm gonna see if this works. No. No. Okay, never mind. Alright, we back. We didn't want you hearing in our conversation.
Yeah, no hard feelings, just. Alright, here, let me get you some food. Here, take mine. Take mine.
Okay. Thank you, buddy. Boy.
Here, I'll get you some. Alright. Oh no. Where'd the big box go?
It disconnected from the server.
It got hit away.
Yep.
How do you lose something that big though?
Honestly, I have no idea.
Bro, my headset is glitching.
We can check the footage. Also, do you think we should end it here? It's kind of been a long one.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Well, no. I said that
We'll
wrong.
make a part 2 since this one was
Yep.
a little long.
Yep. We'll make a part 2. And, yeah. We'll actually kill all the monsters this time. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!